Good morning. We had a great night's sleep and now we are headed to the Whispering Canyon Cafe for breakfast.
Oh, look at the back of those.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah,
That is
cowboys
awesome.
and Indians. Cowboy there, Indian there. You gonna be a cowboy?
So cool.
Here we are. There's some biscuits and gravy. This plate's hot, okay, cowboy?
Okay.
Let's see. Slide this one. Oh, right in the middle there.
Awesome.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Let me get you some utensils to share it with. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
We just had a wonderful breakfast at the Whispering Canyon Cafe. It was a lot of food. The skillets were really, really good, but it was a lot of food. And now we are headed over to the Magic Kingdom for the day. Let's go.
We're gonna get some water.
It is pretty crowded here today and it is very, very warm. It's very humid. So we went on Splash Mountain and got very, very wet, which feels pretty good. But then when you have to go to the restroom and you have to peel off and put back on wet clothes, that's not so fun. So we're going over, we have a fast pass in a little while for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, but we're heading over to Storybook Circus now and gonna go on the Barnstormer and maybe meet a few characters and hang around there for a little while before our fast pass. The Barnstormer was my son's first roller coaster. It's a darling little ride. The wait's currently 35 minutes and the ride is about 45 seconds. Well, my husband and son ride the Barnstormer. I went into Storybook Treats and got like a frozen slushie. And if you are an annual pass holder, you get discounts, but you don't get discounts like at carts or quick service restaurants. But if you go into a store like Storybook Treats and get a snack or something, you get 20% off, which you don't get at a quick service restaurant. So just a little tip, if you want a bottle of water, go into a store and get it. If you're an annual pass holder and you get 20% versus at the carts, which you get no discount. The barnacles here are just a treasure trove of hidden Mickeys. It's a great way to pass the time searching for hidden Mickeys.
Right there.
You see them?
Yep. If you want to know what a hidden Mickey looks like, Junk Watch Fabulous will call Fast Half Fast. He makes videos every single day.
What a voice. What a beautiful voice. But let me tell you how that evil sea witch tricked Ariel's voice away from her.
Fun in your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping.
Voyage of the Little Mermaid is one of my favorite rides, and I know that it's just so like basic, but the song, it just brings me back to when I was younger. I was, I think, in high school when the Little Mermaid came out, but I just love it. But anyway, don't miss that one. Now we have a fast pass for 7 Dwarfs Mine Train, so we're gonna go on that. We have a fast pass, but this is the current wait for the fast pass. And the standby line is posted at 2 hours and 40 minutes currently.
It ain't no trick to get rich quick. If you dig, dig, dig with a shovel or a pick in a mine, where a million diamonds shine. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. Hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.